In this quick video, I am going to show you how to record audio on PowerPoint. So I am going to show you two methods. Both are really easy. For that, firstly we need to click on Insert, and here you will find the option of audio. Click on it, and under it you will see two options. First is audio on PC. So if you have audio on your computer, then you can select that audio and insert it on your slide to use it. But I want to record my audio, so for that I'll select the second option, and then it will show you this window. Here you can name your sound. I just want to name it ABC, and then we need to tap on this red icon to start our recording. You can also play and pause your recordings according to your need. Now I want to save it. For that, tap on OK again, and then as you can see, there is this speaker icon on my slide. You can place it anywhere you want. If you want to replay your recording, then tap on the play icon from here and your recording will be played. You can also adjust the sound levels from here. So this was the first method to record audio for a specific slide. But if you want to record audio for your whole presentation, then for that we need to go to the slideshow from top. Once you tap on it, then click on record, and it will give you two options. First is from current slide. So if you want to record from your current slide, then select that option. I want to start from beginning, that's why I'm selecting the second one, and here it will show you this window. From here we can record our presentation. So firstly, make sure to go to settings, and under it select your best microphone you have on your computer for better audio quality. You can also choose your camera from here, and if you want to enable your camera, then tap on this camera option, and then it will enable your face cam on your presentation, and that will be recorded as well. And make sure your microphone is not mute. And to start our recording, we need to tap on the record from the top left corner. Once we tap on it, then it will start this countdown, and once the countdown is finished, our recording will begin. And now you can highlight anything on your slide, and if you want to change your slide, then tap on this arrow, and then your slide will be changed from here. And now you can do whatever you want. And to save your recording, tap on stop, and then your recording will be stopped. You can also replay it by tapping on the replay icon, and you can see my highlighter effect is also there in my recording, and my audio is also there. And now we just need to go back from here. For that, press escape key on your keyboard, and then it will go back to your PowerPoint. And now you can preview your recording from here as well. For that, tap on the play icon from the bottom, and you can hear your audio from here. So this was the complete process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.